So I was meeting with Karen Jorge the other day, young couple, no children yet, and they asked, do we need life insurance? And aside from my typical depends when I answer financial questions, I threw out a few scenarios that's a typical reason to purchase life, or it should be called death insurance. But reason number one, and the predominant reason, is to replace income. If someone's dependent on your income and you pass away, that would cause a hardship, obviously. So the death benefit could help them for a certain period of time or lifetime, depending on your personal circumstance, how much you want to purchase, how much you're willing to pay and able to pay. So income replacement is one typical reason. A secondary reason, and this is very minute, it doesn't affect most of the population, it's really for the high net worth, it's to leverage insurance companies to pay estate taxes. Again, most people in this country are not subject to estate taxes, but we mentioned it as a financial planner, we need to mention that in there. But again, limited circumstances for the high net worth. And third, another reason to purchase life insurance is merely to leave an inheritance for a loved one. You may not have someone who depends on you, but you know what? It's going to take me time to build up investments, and I want to leave them something if something happens to me tomorrow or in the near term. So you just purchase some inexpensive life insurance, and we hope nothing happens, but if something does, your loved one gets the benefit of that.
Right. So a couple real life stories, just scenarios so you can better visualize this. So you have a husband and a wife. Let's say the husband works and the wife is a homemaker. In that case, you know, the wife obviously depends on the husband's income. So
homemakers work too.
They do, and they're worth a lot. Yeah. My wife is a homemaker, and I can tell you she's very valuable. But in that case, obviously you would need income after the husband dies. Single moms, single dads, clearly if you pass away, the kids are going to need income to you know, make it into college and possibly even get through college. And a husband and wife, especially if they have lots of debt and high expenses, may need a life insurance on each other in case the other one passes away. So there's a few scenarios.
Thanks for listening.
This is a little ridiculous.
What, you guys are matching?
Yes.
Grass.
I know.
What are they blowing? Really, what are they blowing?
Just cooling off the bushes.